Hey, what's up, crypto traders? Welcome back to the Altcoin News Podcast. This podcast series is meant to enlighten you with insider knowledge, expert opinion, new trends, event analyses, and all sorts of goodies. In this episode, we'll be breaking down an NFT project that's been mentioned a lot lately if you just type top NFT on Google. And we're not talking about Axie Infinity. There's enough coverage for that. We'll actually be talking about Splinterlands and its governance token, the Splintershard, or SPS. Without further ado, let's get going. Did you know that the current collectible card game market size is around $11.13 billion, with some market research suggesting it could expand upwards to reach $31.2 billion in 5 years? Well, according to a white paper written by Alpha Sigma Capital, a digital asset fund, many new NFT projects that popped up lately are all riding this global trend. This means there's a lot of competition in the NFT space, and yet Splinterland rises from the rest by attracting new users and investors, as well as retaining, continually incentivizing existing users with its unique gameplay and rewarding ecosystem. Okay man, that doesn't explain anything at all, so what is Splinterland? Well, in a sentence, Splinterland is a digital collectible card game built on blockchain technology, specifically the Hive Network. Users of Splinterlands get to battle, trade, and earn with other players across the metaverse. The in-game credit is called the Dark Energy Crystal, or DAC for short, which is awarded to the player every time battle is won. Now, to win a battle, as well as to earn rewards that are tradable for real money from each battle, a player must invest in a digital item known as the Summoner's Spellbook, which allows the player access to a blockchain wallet. So yes, you do have to pay to actually earn in Splinterlands, but don't let this discourage you if you're on a tight budget, because it only takes $10 of initial investment to dive into the extensive world of Splinterlands. And like all things worth investing in real life, there should be the fair trade-off, and Splinterlands does not disappoint in this regard. The more you play, the more you earn. The higher you rank, the more options for you to earn will also open up. Since NFT cards are the main theme in Splinterlands, you do get a variety of options to get them. You can buy packs with 5 cards in each pack, or get potions to boost your rewards after winning each battle. But you don't have to buy NFT cards to expand your gameplay. You can simply rent them from other players for a tiny amount. Also, Splinterlands offers land plots that can be purchased. It used to be $10, but now some lands are worth way over $180, and all land plots are currently sold out. Founded 3 years ago by Jesse Reich and Matt Rosen. According to an official statement from Splinterlands on Peak.com, it took them 3 years to accumulate 100,000 users, but only a month starting in July 2021 to double that to 200,000. Now that is impressive growth. Now let's talk a bit about tokenomics. SPS, or Splintershards, are the native governance token of the ecosystem. The SPS will be set up as a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO for short, on the Binance Smart Chain. What's interesting about the SPS is that when an investor wants to participate in staking, the tokens must be staked on a particular player to earn rewards based on the player's performance. So staked SPS will not earn rewards just for being staked, unlike many other NFT projects. The total supply will be capped at 3 billion tokens, with 13.3% of it going to the player through airdrops, and 30% of the total supply will be the basis of play to earn in the Splinterlands economy. That was a very fundamental takeaway of the Splinterland project. Now obviously our research can only tell you so much, so that brings us to our disclaimer. None of the information presented here can be taken as financial advice. Please always do your own research and invest responsibly. I just want to say thank you to our users and audience for tuning in. Your support really means a lot to us and me at Gate.io. be sure to check out the description below to download the official Gate.io mobile app so you can join in on future surprise giveaway events that I'll be doing in this podcast series. And that is all for today. Let's see if we can get someone from Splinterlands to do an interview in the future. I'm sure that would be awesome and much more informative. So stay tuned and see you all very soon.